DSG farts, then you see me breeze. Automatic DSG farts, it's a new thing. AMG boys.
What is good everyone, Dsgpantha here. Today I'm doing a POV nighttime drive in my Golf GTI, and have you know, we actually got the ambient lighting now installed. So we're going to get into it. I'm going to show you the ambient lighting and then we'll go for a little drive just around my local area. It's like 2 in the morning right now. But further ado, let's get into it. We'll jump in the car and I'll show you the ambient lighting and then we can go for a little drive. Right, yes people, we are now in the car and I'm actually feeling better today. I'm still a bit rough, but you know, we're getting there. So as you can see in here, we actually have one strip going through here, one strip going through there, one through the rear, and also one in the other side of the rear. We also have one here to my right. We have the footwell lights now connected as well. I did have one under here, but I moved it in and it was a little bit too bright, so I'm probably going to put it back out. But for now I'm leaving it like that. And then we've also got one inside of the little lights in here, and also one inside the footwell, no, the hand footwell, the handwell, yeah, whatever, you know what I mean, in there as well. And then obviously the dash matches the color to all the ambient lighting. Now if I do go onto my phone, you guys should be able to see this. If I go all the way through here, I can now actually show you what it does on the app. So as you can see here, we can have the brightness, so we can set the brightness of it, and then we can also change the color. You can change the color, so you can have some weird color there. But we have light, so you can change the color to that, which is pretty mad. Breathe, so it all goes different colors. Got streamer, so now it does some weird, you know, mad stuff going on. Closing, so it does this, it goes in and then they fade out and then they go to a new color. Optical, this one's pretty mad, I can't lie, I like this one the most. Then we have pull curtain. This one just goes all the way around the coupe, or the hatch, whatever, you know what I mean, all the way around the car, and you can have different lights going around. That one's mad. Closing, so you're going the other way instead of going right. Piled up, this one shoots one beam going a whole cross and it will build up and keep going up. CTL, this has got just random colors going around the whole car. There's so much going on. This one I like the most. I think this one's pretty sick, I can't lie. We've got master, I don't know what that was, meteor, color water, color full. This one I like, this one's very smooth and it's just got one line going through. Single, one line. Spectrum, this one's a bit mad as well. Stretch, and we've got optical, snapping, and then obviously this one just shoots random laser beams going across. But this is sync, so this is where you can just do your normal color, and then you can change the color through here. So obviously I got it on this one, but you can do all the different colors all on the app. So it's all based on the app, which is amazing. So massive shout out to HS Styling. If I didn't say that already, make sure you go and follow them. The link will be in the description. Go and give them a follow, say I sent you, because it's mad what you can do. So go and hit them up. As I say, you can do all the colors on the app. You can also change the color of the footwell lights, but I don't want to touch them because they're perfect color for me right now, so we're going to leave it like that. And then you can also do the brightness of everything, front and back. You can switch them on and off. So yeah, this is fully legal. All of this is legal for your car. So without further ado, let's go for a little drive so you guys can get a feel of what it's like. Yeah, we're out. It's like 2 in the morning. I think the clocks have just gone back, so yeah, it's mad timing right now. So it was like 1 o'clock, but it's all suddenly gone to like, actually it's more like 3 o'clock, tell a lie. So yeah, but we're just gonna go for a little, I'm not even gonna go that for much of a drive. It's more just, guys, so you can see what the lights look like. But yeah, they look absolutely sick. I 100% recommend it. To fit them, I don't know, I didn't obviously fit on myself. HS Styling fitted it for me. So if you do want to get them fitted, as I said, go and hit them up and you'll get a discount if you mention me. So if you want to get them fitted, go and get them done. They're based in North London, I believe North London. It's definitely London way. So if you need them fitted, hit them up, you know, go London. They're mad, they're sick at what they do, you get me? Like, yeah, this mate, this induction kit, it's a 40 here, but I think it goes to a 30. But yeah, the induction kit sounds just mad. Like, we're gonna go down here because it's a national down here, as you get into the estate, and you can do a little launch, so you can give it a little send, you get me? Honestly, this car sounds so naughty. Just listen to it. Nah, honestly, don't gas me. This car sounds mad. And if you haven't already, make sure you go and follow me on Instagram at Dsgpantha. We've got more videos coming. Let me know who you guys want to see. Honestly, like there's not enough content for me to do. Like there's too much going on. So if there's any videos you specifically want me to film, any cars you want me to film video on, let me know. I have got a POV drive coming on my dad's car. He's basically just bought a little runaround car, but it's an ST170 Focus. So we're gonna get that on the channel. I'm gonna do a little video in that. It's a sick whip, honestly. It's a cool car. That is the speed limit. So yeah, let's do it. It's nice and light. You get me? Right, we're in sport. Just like that. This car is actually too quick. Like, I'm sorry, but this car's mad. Listen to that. It's bonkers. Like, I can't express how quick this car actually is. Like, for a Golf, for a GTI, this car is mad. It's mad. It's stupid. It's stupidly quick, and I don't know. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say. Shout out to Tyre Point, because they're literally only just there. So shout out to Tyre Point. We always go to Tyre Point for our stuff. But yeah, it was literally just a little drive. Thought we'd do a little pull there. Yeah, she's a naughty girl. This car's proper naughty, I can't lie. Ignore the glue on my windows. I've got pulled over for tints. So yeah, that was a long day, but you know, it wasn't even that bad. It was more the fact that I wasn't doing anything wrong, and then they said, oh, I recognise your number plate. It looked like it was illegally spaced, so we're pulling you for, and also we believe you've got tints on your car. But my tints on the windows weren't even that deep. They were like 50%. So like, don't get me wrong, I know you're not allowed to tint your side windows, but they weren't dark. Do you get what I mean? Like, they weren't horrendous. So I was just like, come on now, really? And it was like 12 at night. They done me for chameleon tint at 12 at night. Apparently people were telling me they can't test it at night, but I don't know if that's true or not, but they did. So, you know, it is what it is, isn't it? But mate, this car is just, she's rapid, boys. She's rapid. She is rapid, boys. Lucky it's a national down there, but yeah, she's rapido. Oh my god, this road is horrible, man. But yeah, this car's too quick. Like, I don't know what else to say, man. This car's gone. Stage 2, this car, it will be gone. I'm telling you now. I do also want to do a dyno video so you can see what power this car is finally pushing. So if you guys want to see a dyno video, let me know in the comments. I'm sure I can organize that for you lot. I think that actually would be a sick video, so let me know if you want to see a dyno video. I'll be intrigued to get one done. We can see what power, see how the car's running, etc. Obviously it hasn't got the upgraded intercooler, so it won't make as much power as a car with an intercooler after like a run or so, but it should be a pretty decent figure. I'm hoping for at least 310, so if we can get at least 310 out of it, you know, I'll be happy any day of the week. I can't lie. But yeah, back to the lights before we end the video. These are sick, and I recommend them 100%, because it doesn't even look chavvy in here. Like, it looks OEM plus. And we've also deactivated the stock light that was originally in the GTI. I believe it will be in the GTD as well, and the R, you have a blue one. But yeah, we deactivated that, and we also deactivated the one at the bottom on the floor, on the door sill. So we deactivated them. So it literally looks like this car came with these from OEM, so I'll be sick. So I definitely recommend it. As I said, why is there a cone just in the middle of the road? What is going on tonight? Honestly, a weird night. But yeah, that is it. I 100% recommend them. I don't know what else to say, but they do look generally insane, and it changes the look of the car at night totally differently. And if you drive a lot at night like I do, it's recommended. Like, I think you're paying probably $250, something around that, to get this done, and it is worth every single penny. So make sure you go and get it done, 100%. Also, before I end the video, we are going Germany next month. We are going Germany, and the content I've got coming is gonna be bad. So we've got big man like Cam. We're gonna get out in his car, maybe try and get out and drive a Dave's X3M. I don't know, but the content is gonna be mad for Germany, so stay tuned for that. That's gonna be the 19th to the 22nd, something like that. So stay tuned for the Germany content. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you are subscribed. You must be subscribed to the channel, otherwise why are you watching me if you're not subscribed? Follow me on Instagram at Dsgpantha, and obviously if you want to make money, click the link in the description. If you want to make money from your phone by sharing a referral link, that is how you make your bread. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna end the video here. I will see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.
DSG farts, then you see me breeze. Automatic DSG farts, it's a new thing. AMG